At Move It Show this weekend, I want to teach you a disco spin, which is perfect for the roller rink. This is what it looks like. This is a really fun, showy move that I'm splitting down into 3 steps. Step 1 is to plant your toe stop. I want you to put all of your weight on your toe stop and make sure you can touch your knee on the toe stop side. This is going to make sure that all of your weight is on that leg. You should be able to tap the other foot or even lift it. Step 2 is you're going to turn your knee out. Step is essential to keep all your weight on your toe stop. Step 3 is we're going to use our arm or shoulder to initiate that momentum, and it's going to help you travel around. So it's going to pull that shoulder forwards while the knee opens up your hip. Therefore, you're going to pivot around your toe stop. Now, if this happens, you plant your toe stop and you keep rolling forward. If that knee does not turn out, you're actually not going to transfer your weight onto that leg. So as you're rolling forward, make sure you plant your toe stop, really bend that knee and turn it out. So we plant, we twist our knee out, and we use that arm to go forward. Now, last tip with your hand is I want you to imagine that your fingers are drawing a corkscrew. So you're going to start lower down. That's going to make sure you bend your knee, and your hand is going to come up. So your hand will be at roughly shoulder height. Plant, twist and bend, and you can even turn it into a little spin. Enjoy your disco spin.